Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today we are at Red Butte Gardens in Salt Lake City, Utah. Now I actually did not have plans to come here. Some previous plans fell through and I was left with a day in Utah without anything to do, so I just sort of looked things up and found Red Butte Gardens. So this is a flower garden, and I like flower gardens. I've been to Victoria Gardens, Miracle Garden in Dubai, but at the same time, it's late October, it's fall. As you can see, there's not much in terms of flowers here. But at the same time, it is fall, the leaves are changing colors, so it's not like there's nothing to see here. Plus, I have practically the whole park to myself, so yeah, let's take a walk around. I'm sure there are plenty of beautiful things to see. Unlike this, I'm all blacked out now. Yeah, even though the flowers are not in bloom, the colors of the trees are pretty spectacular. So I just realized that there's some sort of story element going on here and I have not been paying attention, so maybe I guess I should start. So there are two things that I really like about flower gardens. One is that I love filming plants. Yeah, that sounds really weird, but nature is pretty much universally loved and you don't have to ask a plant's permission in order to film it. There are many different unique varieties and they come in all different forms, shapes, and colors. The second thing that I really like about flower gardens is that they're basically amusement parks. They have their own midways, they have their own theme sections, they have their own maps. So yeah, they're basically one and the same and I really like it. I like the atmosphere and I love how these places can tell a story. so that was Red Butte Garden in Salt Lake City, Utah. And while, yeah, I'd absolutely love to see this place in summer when all the flowers are in bloom, or even springtime, it's still no less very beautiful, and I'm really, really glad that I came here. There's much more to see here than flowers. It's a beautifully landscaped park with some really helpful staff and some nice people all around. So yeah, if you're in Salt Lake City and if you're looking for anything to do, I would absolutely recommend Red Butte Garden. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. We'll see where the next one is. I'm not sure actually. But yeah, until then, I will see you in the next one. Take care.